23rd April, yesterday afternoon, we started examining one consignment which has come from Afghanistan. This was declared as licorice root, that is mulethi, and the examination was taking place. As part of examination, we scanned the cargo first in our X-ray machine. While scanning the cargo, we found irregular images. So those images, because of those images, the bags were immediately emptied. We anyway do the 100% examination, but because of the images which were clear, my officers at ICP did a very good job of getting those images in X-rays, and we examined the cargo of licorice root. We found there are two types of material. One is a wooden log which is separate from the licorice root, that is mulethi. So we segregated that. We brought it separately in the office, and then we did the examination of that. We found that it was in a small piece like this, and there was a cavity inside. So when we broke open that cavity inside, so we'll give you the photographs, you'll understand that during the examination, when we broke it, there was plastic pouches, small pouches, where the suspected narcotics material was concealed. So when we started, we took some samples. We have something called DDK, drug detection kits. So BSF also has it, we also have it, both of us did it, and it came positive for a suspected heroin consignment. So once we got that, we started breaking all the consignment which was seen as a wooden log. So it took a very long time, because you can imagine, I'll show you one log, breaking each and every log and then taking out the actual material from inside. So these were the kind of log which was come. It has been drilled from inside, and the material was placed inside. So we have broken open all such things. There was 485 kgs of such logs identified, and when we did the exercise of breaking this, finally we have received 102 kgs of suspected material, so which has some plastic covering also. So about 100 kgs of suspected heroin has been recovered. We will show you, we have recovered it. So the investigation is in progress, and it will take some time, but we just wanted to inform you about the seizure portion which has happened yesterday and today.
Where was it supposed to be delivered?
The importer was from Delhi. ये importer जो है दिल्ली का था.
तो ये पहली कंसाइनमेंट मंगाई है.
मैं इसमें और डिटेल्स जो है इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में वो अभी नहीं बता पाऊंगा, because they are part of the investigation. It arrived on Friday. 22nd it arrived. It gets opened and examined on the next day.
सर इससे पहले कितनी कंसाइनमेंट पहुंच गया ये जो दिल्ली का?
तो इसमें जो प्रोसीजर होती है उस हिसाब से हम एग्जामिनेशन नेक्स्ट डे करते हैं, तो इसलिए सैटरडे. इस दौरान आप समझिए, इन्वेस्टिगेशन को 24 घंटे भी नहीं हुए हैं, लाइव इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, उसमें कोई लिमिटेशंस होते हैं. सो प्लीज बेयर विथ मी कि सीजर पोर्शन पे ही हम बात कर रहे हैं. ट्रक में नहीं था, सामान में था. जो बैग्स, हमने मुलेठी के बैग्स खोले तो बैग्स के अंदर मुलेठी भी थी और ऐसे पीसेस भी थे. तो जब वो बड़ा बोरा होता है, जो बोरा होता है, वो जब हमने खोला और ऐसे पीसेस सेग्रीगेट किए तो कैविटी इसमें थी. मुलेठी भी ऐसी होती है. मुलेठी का कलर ऐसा होता है, वो थिन होता है, थोड़ा सा पतला होता है, इससे इतना बड़ा नहीं होता, इससे थोड़ा छोटा ही होता है. तो वो इसलिए वो थोड़ा सा हम segregate करते हैं. It was extremely difficult. I must give credit to all my officers who are in ICP. They did a wonderful job of examining 100% स्कैनिंग होती है सारे माल की, क्योंकि आपको मालूम है अगस्त 2021 में जो तालिबान में जो अफगानिस्तान में चेंजेस आए, उसके बाद हमने 100% एग्जामिनेशन शुरू किया है. तो आई मस्ट गिव क्रेडिट टू ऑल माई टीम. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा इसमें बहुत सटीक काम किया है और ये डिटेक्शन हमें मिला.